Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aitza. If you're not new here, thanks so much for watching. My hair. I'm a mess. I talk about personal finance, travel, being black in Spain, and random stuff. Books, and petite fashion. I don't know where my head is today. But today, quickly, we're going to talk about the mobile bank, Varo, which I've been using for 2 years now. Yeah, that sounds right. And why you should bank with them. And no, this is not a sponsored video. So let's just jump into it. So Varo is a mobile-only bank, which means they don't have a physical branch. You do your application, your setup, everything online. They are against the traditional form of banking. So there are no fees for overdraft. There's no fees for not having a minimum balance in there, no late fees, none of that. Everything, there's no fee to get a new card. The only fees that you do have is if you use an ATM that charges you a fee. So they don't charge you a fee, but let's say you go to, for example, in Europe, there's Eurostar. They'll charge you like €5 or whatever to pull money from them. But if you go to an actual bank, they won't. So Varo never charges you a fee, which I love about them. They have great customer service. I have called them from Spain and from, was I in Germany or Belgium? Somewhere that's cold in Europe. Because I've had some problems and they resolved them very quickly in terms of just like fraudulent or obscure activity on my account, of setting up my travel notice or a payment not going through. If you have any kind of travel-related needs, they'll be sure to document that on your account so your PIN and stuff isn't frozen, which I really, really like. The next reason why you should have a Varo account is because you'll typically get your paycheck a little sooner. Most companies will disperse your funds to go out on Wednesday, and then they'll hit your account on Friday. With Varo, you'll either get your money on Wednesday or Thursday if you get paid like that. I also transfer money from my Spanish account to my US account using TransferWise. So depending on when I transfer it, let's say I get paid at 10 a.m. my time, which is typically 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If I can transfer that money before 4:30, I will typically have it by the end of the day in Spain. So like 10 p.m., maybe 12 hours later, I'll have it because the banking day hasn't switched yet. Because a lot of deposits don't actually go through or hit the account until West Coast time at 4 a.m. So that's something to keep in mind. If you guys didn't know that. So that's very, very helpful for someone who's abroad. You're expecting money and things like that. But no ATM fees. And also just getting your money sooner is nice because then you can pay your bills or go shopping or do your budgeting. It's nice having your money when you need it, when you want it. Am I right? The next reason to bank with Varo is a referral program. Now, it is just for your common user, but let's say you have a friend who is like, you know what, I'm tired of paying $12 each month for this bank account, or I cannot believe they charged me an overdraft fee for 35 cents because my money was in my savings account and not my checking account. Something, I don't know, guys, whatever. So if you refer a friend through your code, you will get sometimes $75, sometimes $100, depending on what the promotion is. And your friend will get that same thing if they have a deposit that happens within 60 days of the referral. So it's nice that you both get money and you can earn up to $500 while you're banking with them. So I just think it's cool that they're giving away free money for you using their product and being like, oh, I like this. I used to bank with Chime. I still have them, but I don't use them as frequently. Chime had a big issue last year where people couldn't access their funds, the cards weren't working, groceries and all kinds of bills and stuff. And they were talking about, I need another bank, but I don't want to go back to like a Wells Fargo or Bank of America or something like that. And I was like, well, I switched to Varo. This has been my experience, blah, blah, blah. And someone actually used my referral code. So I got like 100, I think the thing at the time was $120. And lastly, they have a high yielding savings account. So their savings accounts, if you have a minimum of $1,000 deposited into your account each month, so it could be like like 500 one check, 500 another check, or a split up. As long as you hit that $1,000 minimum each month for deposits, you get 2.8% on your savings, which is nice. So I have there set up to where 25% of whatever deposits come into my account go to savings, and then on that, 2.8% for interest, which is nice because you're making money just by having your money sitting there. Your money is making you money, basically, which is nice. Who doesn't like free money? Money, money, money. We all want more of it. But I think in the time where it's very hard to find someone that gives you more than 1% interest, that's a really good thing. And it's more of a initiative to save for some people. It's when you know that your money is just going to make you money. It's like, oh, I could just have it chilling there and see like $5 deposited the end of the quarter or the end of the month. That's nice, right? And then compound interest works in your favor. So that's another reason. But I haven't had any issues with them. Like I said, this isn't a sponsored video. I just really want people to stop wasting money on banking fees, to have a great banking experience, because so many of us have not. Like I've banked with Wells Fargo and Bank of America, USA, which I have not had issues with them. Who else? A local credit union, haven't had issues with them. But this is just nice because there's no international fees. There's no fees for me to get my money out. No fees for me having my money sitting there. They pay me to have my money sit there. Like, that's nice. But if you have any questions about how you set it up, or why I opted for them, or any other concerns, leave a comment. I'll put my referral code below. I think after whenever I hit my 500, you may not get money anymore, or I may not get money. I'll look into that and let you know in case you do want to use it. But I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope that you are on a journey to financial wellness. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.